Good afternoon, brother and sister. Today we will discuss about the information about the goal setting. Why goal setting is important to everyone? Because if we are living our life without having no goals, like we just passing our time, we are just passing our day, we are just passing our month, or even though we are just passing our year, and we will pass our entire life without having no kind of goal. That's why the reason goal setting is very important. Goal can be small or goal can be big. There is no discrimination between goal setting, like goal should be always big or goal should be always small, because like one small habit, one small positive activity, or one and a small a good activity can make your life very balancing life, or can make your time a productive time. So there is no discrimination between the small goal, or you can say a big goal, because one small goal can make a one big goal. All right, but goal should be must in their everyone human being life. Did you notice, our my dear friend, there are very a few people, they would become successful person in their life, they achieved something in their life, they acquired something in their life, but they mostly are not able to achieve something, or not able to get something, or not able to receive something in their life. Why? Okay, so before that we need to understand the differentiate between emotional goal, or you can say logical goal. Okay, because as per my understanding, according to my point of view, and you can say the fact came after so many research done by the, you can say, extraordinary researcher. So they proved that like emotional goal always better than logical goal. What is logical goal? Logical goal mean, right, for achieving something you need to understand the logic behind this. This is logical goal. And what is emotional goal? Emotional goal mean for achieving something you should have some bigger or some, you can say, specific reason behind this. This is emotional goal. First we talk about the logical goal. Through one example, I would like to my level best to understood you what is exactly logical goal, and how can you understand about logical goal very deeply. Suppose that, my dear friend, I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. So why I want to be teacher? If I am like a logical goal oriented person, if I am logical goal oriented student, so I want to be teacher because I want to get a good salary. I want to become the part of government department. I want to make safe or secure life. I want to achieve something. I want to make my reputation among my fellow partner. That's what the reason I want to be a teacher. But before becoming teacher, what type of education strategy I have need to become teacher? Definitely I need a requirement to get education. I have to do study for that. I have to acquire more and more knowledge. Then after, I have to crack that, you can say, teacher eligibility test criteria. Then only I would be able to become the part of any, you can say, reputed or education institute or education academy. Right? Maybe the institute can be belong to, you can say, state government education department, or can be belong to the central government education department. For that, I need to receive, you can say, different kind of, you can say, information or education. All right. So this is, you can say, like logical goal. I'm a dreamer by logical orientation. Might be chances will there. If I will try at least one time to becoming a teacher, if I will participate to that, you can say, education examination, or it might be I will fail that. So definitely the level of my courage, the level of my, you can say, the level of my morale will decline, because I got failure. Alright, I got failed. And I will thinking start that, no, this is not my cup of tea. There are, the people who want to be the part of education department of India or education department of that particular state where I belong to, they are always far better than me. So I will start labeling myself, I will start doubting myself, no, I can't be teacher, I need to change my opinion, toward of some different area, I need to change my direction, and I need to change my strategy, and I need to change my goal, because becoming teacher is not my cup of tea. I need to try to somewhere else to becoming something. Okay, so chances will be there like you will decline, the level of your courage, the level of your, dedication, the level of your determination, or the level of your appreciation will decrease, and then you will start thinking somewhere else. This is a logical, a goal, oriented person. But the same side, same opposite side, if you are emotional oriented person, emotional goal oriented person, then why you want to be teacher? When you will ask to that question to yourself, why I want to be a teacher, then if you realize that, if you could realize that I want to be teacher because I want to teach student, alright, I want to make them educated, I want to make them disciplined, I want to make them mature, I want to make them responsible, or I want to make them a good human. They would be always a good human, whether they would be successful or not, but they would not be harmful for the society. They would not be harmful to themselves, and they would not be harmful to the society. Or if they would not harmful to the society, definitely they would never ever harmful to the nation. That's why the reason I want to be teacher, because I get everything from the society, and this is my moral duty, this is my responsibility, this is my fundamental duty to give back something to the society. And which way I can give back to the society, how I can contribute something, the betterment of nation, how can I contribute the betterment of people, how can I contribute the betterment for the society. Definitely a teaching profession would be one of the best option to me to give my contribute the favor of nation, give my contribute the favor of the society. So then I want to be a teacher. Like people who belong to that society where I belong to, they should proud over me. My family, my parents, they would proud over me. Yes, he is my son and he is doing something, good, the betterment for the other person's life. That's what the reason I want to be a teacher. So like you are emotional, goal oriented person. Becoming teacher, you have strong emotional goal. You have very strong emotional goal, which will help you to keep your eye always in a direction, or always as a positive direction, because you just want to be a teacher, the fulfilling or the betterment of the other person's life, rather than just fulfilling your self intention or desire. You do not want to be financially stable. You don't want to be get more and more money because of this reason you want to be a teacher. No, this is not your intention. This is not your need. This is not your demand. This is not your requirement. This is not your wish. This, you don't want it to be a teacher. You wanted to be a teacher because you want to teach your kids. You want to teach the student as a better way. You want to make them a responsible figure in the society. That's why the reason you want to be a teacher. Alright? So my dear friend, if you have goal, you need to understand that. You need to calculate, or you need to measuring the number of your goal, whether you have a logical goal or whether you have emotional goal, or if you have logical goal. So I will suggest you, this is my humble request to you, please replace your logical goal into emotional goal and convert it, your logical goal, into emotional goal. Definitely you would be successful, you will achieve something, whatever you want to achieve in your life, because logical goal is not powerful than emotional goal. Okay, because emotional goal always motivate you. in any condition, whether the condition will tough, the condition will easy, the circumstances will bad or difficult, or circumstances will easy or comfortable, but you will never stop. You will never ever get demoralized, because you are emotional goal oriented person rather than logical goal oriented person. So my dear friend, try to be emotional goal oriented person. Try to be proud to your family. Try to be proud to your parents, or try to be proud to those people who's around you and you surrounded by him. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.